My name is Neil Trevett, and I am VP. My day job is VP of Developer Ecosystems at NVIDIA, but I'm here today representing Khronos. I'm the president of the Khronos Group, and we're going to be talking about the need for embedded acceleration standards. The overall market need for hardware acceleration in the embedded space is growing enormously. For example, processing more and more data from more and more sensors, generating advanced graphics for sophisticated user interfaces up to and including augmented and virtual reality. The whole point of having standard APIs in this space is to streamline the deployment, reduce time and cost for deploying processors, sensors, accelerators, by decoupling the hardware and software development. You can get portability across different vendors. You can get portability of your investment across different generations of your own product. So we're going to be talking today for the next few minutes around some of the compute API standards from the Khronos Group, and they're the ones that are included here on this slide. And we're going to give you a brief introduction so you might understand which ones might be relevant to you. We're going to talk about some new initiatives in the safety critical space, Vulkan SC and SYCL SC. And we're going to talk about the new Khronos EMVA working group that's working on camera APIs, and that's something new since the last summit. And last but not least, if you're interested, there's details on how you too can get involved in building these standards. So if you haven't come across Khronos before, as I mentioned, we're an open standards organization. We're a non-profit. All of the standards that we create are open for all to use, are royalty-free for the industry. We have over 200 members, 200 member companies. We've been creating standards for over 20 years now. We have everyone from Apple and Google all the way down to single-person startup companies, and all are welcome. Every standards organization has a particular focus. Khronos' particular focus is creating these low-level hardware acceleration APIs. And the domains we work in, 3D graphics, parallel computation, augmented and virtual reality, and increasingly machine learning.